Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. After last week's video, you may be wondering, why am I addressing you again after I previously said I would only address these messages every other week? Unfortunately, case rates are increasing rapidly, so I feel it's important for me to return to weekly messages. Today's message is especially important as Thanksgiving is upon us, and many of you have heard the news about new COVID vaccines. Today, I will address both of these topics. First, vaccines. As you may have heard in the news, there are two prominent vaccine candidates, and many of you have questions about this. Please note that COVID vaccines are not available at this time, but as some of you have heard, last month the state released their initial plan for disseminating the vaccine and tracking data. This 148-page document can be found at the web address shown on the screen. The plan describes how vaccines will be prioritized, placing healthcare professionals, people with pre-existing conditions, homeless, shelter residents, and more into phases of vaccine distribution until all people have had the opportunity to be vaccinated. Please note that like many other things in this pandemic, this plan could change. All are welcome to review the plan and learn more about COVID vaccines at this time. We know that you have several questions about the safety of COVID vaccines, their effectiveness, who should get vaccinated at what time, and much more. Please know that plenty of information will be communicated by the time the vaccines are available. Stay tuned to this information as getting vaccinated will be critical to finally ending this pandemic. Thanksgiving is now less than a week away. With COVID-19 cases increasing dramatically, it is very dangerous to celebrate Thanksgiving the way that we have in the past. Inviting others into your home for Thanksgiving dinner absolutely should not be considered at this time for you or your family. It is too dangerous. I know this may sound unreasonable, and many of you will go against our public health safety guidance. Regardless of your decision, I offer 4 simple steps to remain safe for Thanksgiving. Number 1, keep it small. Number 2, wear your mask at all times. Number 3, keep it outdoors if possible. Consider getting a COVID test ahead of Thanksgiving would be the final one. You may think your Thanksgiving event will be safe if you only have 5 or 6 guests invited instead of a larger event, but no matter the size or event you host, it will only take one individual with COVID to start an exponential spread. Don't let your holiday celebration become the next super spreader event in your community. Because of this significant risk, the CDC and the state have recommended you do not travel this Thanksgiving, but this doesn't mean you can't celebrate. There are lots of creative ideas you can try. Exchange recipes with loved ones, cook meals in your homes, and eat together on a video call. Turn on your favorite football game or parade in your own home and watch it with friends virtually. Or try a contactless meal drop-off to loved ones, especially individuals who are high risk. Or just simply enjoy meals with neighbors by bringing your meals into your own front yards and eating at the same time from a distance. Check out state and CDC Thanksgiving guidelines for more ways to celebrate safely. Durham, none of us wanted to still be separated from friends and families during Thanksgiving. The reality is that giving into COVID fatigue by not wearing masks and not staying home has contributed to dangerously high case rates. We must be more vigilant now more than ever before. We are all tired of COVID, but it is not tired of you, and ignoring it this holiday season is a guaranteed way to make this pandemic worse. So please make responsible decisions this Thanksgiving. Don't let your Thanksgiving celebration be the reason the public health department calls your friends and family to notify them that they have been exposed to COVID-19. This holiday season will be difficult, so while we are apart, please also remember to call and check on your loved ones. We have to continue to support one another as we move through this difficult time together. We can do this, Durham.